Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious 3-bean soup with turmeric and lentils. This recipe is perfect for those chilly days when you need something warm and comforting. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of black beans, 1 can of kidney beans, and 1 can of cannellini beans. Make sure to rinse and drain them. We'll also need 1 cup of dried lentils, 1 diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 chopped carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, and 1 diced red bell pepper. For the spices, grab 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Don't forget your salt and pepper to taste. Finally, you will need 6 cups of vegetable broth and a can of diced tomatoes. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by heating a large pot over medium heat and adding a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in your diced onion, garlic, carrots, celery, and red bell pepper. Saute them for about 5 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add in your turmeric, cumin, smoked paprika, and red pepper flakes. Stir them into the veggies and let the spices toast for about a minute. This will really bring out their flavors. Now it's time to add the lentils. Pour them into the pot and stir them around to coat them in the spices and veggies. Then add the vegetable broth and the can of diced tomatoes, including the juice. Give everything a good stir. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the lentils are tender. You might need to skim off any foam that forms on top. Once the lentils are cooked, it's time to add the beans. Stir in the black beans, kidney beans, and cannellini beans. Let the soup simmer for another 10 minutes to let all the flavors meld together. If the soup gets too thick, you can always add a bit more vegetable broth or water. Season your soup with salt and pepper to taste. I like to give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Sometimes I even add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten up the flavors. And there you have it, a hearty, flavorful 3-bean soup with turmeric and lentils. This soup is packed with protein and fiber, making it not only delicious, but also super healthy. Serve it up with some crusty bread and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and easy recipes.